Okay, to install the Tor browser on a Raspberry Pi 5, I'm going to use PiApps. If you don't have that installed and you want to see how to do it, you can check the link in the description for my video on installing PiApps on the Raspberry Pi 5. So I'm going to start PiApps, click Execute, click Internet, click Browsers, click Tor, click Install. And you can choose to install the current version or install the newest official version. I'm going to go with the newest official version. Okay, Tor installed successfully, so we can close PiApps. We can go to the Raspberry Pi menu, Internet, Tor. Now click Connect. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.